Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a Christmas card using the Beary Christmas Designer Series paper, along with the soft shimmer specialty paper, the Festive Fun stamp set, the Joy to You stamp set, as well as the nested essential dies, okay? But of course, before we get started on our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our paper pumpkin kit for January coming up, but I don't have the flyer yet. So if you go to my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com, you can always find out what's what with Stamp It Up, okay? So you have until January 10th to subscribe to this month's paper pumpkin kit. Just don't forget that the paper pumpkin can be ordered in prepaid months at a time, prepaid 1 month at a time, or you can just do a monthly recurring billing, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have filled with plus or minus $200 in new and used retired Stampin' Up! Products. And I'm charging $25 for these boxes. It's basically just shipping. And it's medium flat rate box from the USPS. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next up is our host code. This is the code we're going to use whenever you're placing an order. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you'll get Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards is free product from Stampin' Up! And we don't want you to give away your free products, okay? So you make sure you don't use that code if your order is $150 or more. So that's all our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started on our card. So I have a lot of pieces here. I have some designer series paper cutouts that I hand cut from the designer series paper we're going to be using. Then I have some paper here. This is 4 by 5 1/4. This one is 3 by 4 1/4. And this one is going to be cut down to 3.5 by 3/4, okay? So that is our designer series paper. Then we have a piece of the soft shimmer. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I can't remember this. This is 3/4 by, I believe, 3 inches. I believe. This is 3 inches, I said. This is 3. Yeah, it's 3 inches. Okay, and then we have some basic white, one for scrap for stamping. And this one should be 1 inch by 3 inches. Then we have some real red. Now, our real red, we have one that is 5 by 3 3/4. That's for our inside. And we have some basic white that is going to layer on that, and that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then we have our real red that is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then we have one that is 3 1/8 by 4 3/8. Then I have one here that I have already gone ahead and die cut using the largest banner from the Nested Essentials dies, okay? So those are our pieces. Then we have our card base here of thick basic white. It is 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5.5. So let's go ahead and get some stamping done. These are our 2 stamping pieces. So I want to stamp on here. Say is May Your Season Be One that's festive and fun. We're going to stamp that in Night of Navy. I'm going to try to do that right in the center, just like that. And then for the inside, we're going to stamp using real red. And this one comes from the Joy to You stamp set. We are going to stamp, wait a minute. This is going to be landscape. Almost, I had to think about how am I putting this card together. I almost stamped the inside wrong. That would have been not good. Let's see. So let's stamp this about right there. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. I haven't been making too many Christmas cards. Okay, so that is all of our stamping done. So we're going to go ahead and get our designer series paper strip to put on the inside of our card here. put a little glue. And I want to put this on right there, like that. We're going to trim off the edge. I usually wait a little bit, but I want to go ahead and get this put in because I need the space. Whoop. Flying pieces. Let's glue this down to our real red mat here. And we can go ahead and put this inside of our card base. Just like that. Okay. So now, what do I do? What do I do? I am going to glue things to their mat. I think that's what I'm doing, yeah. So let's go ahead and glue this designer series paper. This is the largest piece down to the largest real red. Just like that. Then we're gonna glue this down to its mat. Oh goodness, I forgot a piece for the inside. So I'm gonna go back to that really quick before we do anything else. I forgot this little guy here. So he was cut from the edge of the designer series paper, but you can still use him. You just have to put him up against the edge of something. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I wanted him in before I had glued this down, but that's okay. Do we want to put it here? No, I think I want to put it. I think I want to put him right there, like that, all the way to the edge. Okay. Cute. Okay, I think we can go ahead and put this down onto our card base. I hope that glue did not go on the front, and it did. I love using non-directional designer series paper because then I don't have to worry which way is up. Okay, and I think, no, I am going to glue this to its layer. This is going to layer onto this white piece of basic white, and it should be the same length, just a little bit wider. Yep, we're gonna have that like that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is some die cutting. So let's move this stuff out the way. We're gonna get the Baby Boss, the mini Stampin' and Cut Emboss machine. Where are my plates? This is my cutting plate. We're gonna get a die, the smallest of this shape. This is the smallest one. I don't know what this shape is called. I'm gonna center that on here. We're gonna take some washi tape to secure that down. Run it through our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Okay, so this is our die, and we're going to take this and just line it up on here where I want to put it, and we're going to cut it straight on like this. Okay, so next, now we can start gluing all of our things down. So I want to put this coming right, well, I think I want to put this more this way. And I want to put this, I guess, I'm trying to decide if I want to pop things up. I guess I'm going to glue this flat. So let me just go ahead and glue this down first. I probably should have glued it and then cut it. Because what if I moved it while I was cutting it? Oh, gosh. Why do I make myself worry about that kind of stuff? Because it's too late to do anything about it now. And it does look a little crooked. Oh, no. Okay, well, that's going to have to do. So then we are going to... I want this behind here, but I want it coming like right behind. So I think I'll put it about right there. Yeah, okay. Just got to get my bearings. I'm going to put this about right here. That straight? Doesn't look like it. Okay, come on. Get a little straighter for me. Over a little bit more. Over. Okay, I'm probably messing up the straightness, and I think I want to pop this up. Okay, so let's get some dimensionals here. I was going to pop up the sentiment, but I think I want to pop up the whole entire banner. I think that's what I'm gonna do. That should be enough dimensionals. I want him on here as well. Let's see. So if I glue him on like that, let's put some glue on him, on his head here, because we know that's going to be about right there. Okay, and then we'll put a dimensional right there. Yes, I know. I'm using a lot of dimensionals. Now I want more. Oh my gosh, Shauna, come on with the dimensionals. I am sitting here trying to resist putting 2 more dimensionals on. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Why do I have such a fascination with these dimensionals? Come off. I don't know, but I feel the need to put a few more on. So we're gonna put this about right here, like that. Oh, yay. Okay, then we're gonna glue this to our card base. I probably should have did that before I put the dimensionals on. Let me make sure it's opening correctly. And then we're gonna put this right here in the center. Ooh, I should have put another piece of glimmer coming out. Oh, that would have been pretty. Oh, well. Okay, so that is that. Now, you know what time it is. It is time for our bling. So I have the, what is this called? The Adhesive-Backed Glitter Sequence. And we're going to get our Take Your Pick tool. And we're going to put some sequins on here. Oh, come off. Separate. I think I'm going to use some of these white ones. Yes, I like it. 1, 2. Let's put one here. And one up there. Glimmer on glimmer. Then let's put another white one. Where do we want this one? How about right there? I think that's good. Okay, that is our card, you guys. Isn't that cute? I like this. This, did I write it down? I meant to write it down because I got this idea from, I don't know. I know I got it from somebody on Pinterest, and I called myself writing stuff down. I don't see it anywhere. Okay, I don't know, but I did case this layout from someone else. I wanted to give them credit. I hate when I forget to write it down. This is our card. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.